Every call you make, every signal you receive, every smart device you use, behind every connection, there is engineering.
And if you want to be the person building the technologies that connect the world, welcome to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at GLA University.
This is not just a classroom journey. Here students innovate through real projects, advanced laboratories, workshops, research activities, drone technologies, embedded system, VLSI design and hand-on experimentations. With innovation-driven centers like LabVIEW Academy, Texas Instrument Innovation Center, VLSI Design Center, and IDEA Lab, students learn with technologies shaping tomorrow's world. Guided by experienced faculty and a strong practical learning environment, students here don't just study engineering, they experience it. The department offers undergraduate programs like B.Tech Electronics and Communication Engineering, B.Tech EC with minor in Computer Science, B.Tech EC with specialization in VLSI, and B.Tech Electronics and Communication Engineering. Students can also pursue M.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, along with doctoral programs including PhD in Electronics and Communication Engineering. From core industries to future technologies, gladiators are building careers across telecom, automation, embedded systems, semiconductor industries, software and research domains. The future belongs to those who create connection that change lives. So, are you ready to build what the world connects through?